Okay, let me get this straight. Is that about right?
Maybe there's a good reason donkeys shouldn't talk.
Ogres are like ogres. They stink?
Yes.
Or they make you cry? Yes. Or you leave them out in the sun, get all brown, start sprouting little good hairs. How many layers of onion are you done? Like maybe 1 or 2. Right now, my man, you are like a little baby. Take a look at this. Oh, you both have. Oh. Ogres are like onions. Ogres are like onions. No!
That's useless, pathetic, annoying, fucking donkey!
I thought.
Yeah, you know what? You thought wrong.
Shrek.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I know this room, I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the marble arch, but love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. All I ever learned from love was how to shoot at someone who outdrew you. And it's not a cry you can hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.